Howdy, y'all. So what we're gonna do is do a unboxing of McTuning's 12 gang RGB wireless switch panel. So what we're gonna do here is go ahead and open up the box, and we see a bunch of stickers laying on top. You know, we love stickers. 5 extra horsepower. McTuning.com. Go in there and get your LED whips, your LED underglow, LED headlights, just they got all kinds of stuff, right? And for you Jeep guys and gals, they got a lot of products for you guys. But here's a sticker for you guys. Got their Make It Cool, which is what the Mick in McTuning stands for, which I think is really cool. And then here they give you a paper with a QR code, and the QR code, you do that with hashtag McTuning with all your products, everything you show off. You entered into getting some free merch, possibly, which is really cool. Another thing I really love about McTuning is their user manuals. So the user manual is pretty thick, pieces of paper, pretty good, and it's full color. It is full color diagrams, explanation, all that stuff. And that's something that you just don't see in the automotive industry anymore, if rarely at all. And that's something that I think personally sets you apart, or sets McTuning apart from a lot of these guys, is they actually care about their packaging. So you have two full sheets of stickers to put on your wireless switch panel there. And then go ahead and take it out and take it out of the sleeve. Good quality there. Go ahead and show that to the camera. And then what we're going to do is where that yellow sticker is, we're going to take that off, and it has a master power switch on the side. We're going to turn that on, make sure that it works. Then we're going to hit the power button. And there you go. So you got a nice, clear, bright white. Hit the RGB button, and that's going to fade through all your colors. One thing I love is, I love my lights. That's one of my favorite colors right there. So I had to get the RGB. So then you hit that button again, and then it jumps from color to color. You hit the button again, and it kind of does a quick fade. Hit it again, that's when you get to your solid modes. Be able to do any color, pretty much 7 different colors on there. And the cool thing about this is you have 5 different levels of brightness. So there's your lowest, and then you're going to have your next 5. And the cool thing I like about this is that McTuning actually has it to where you can dim it. A lot of them you can't dim. It's a set light. You like it or you don't. That's it. So the one thing that's really cool. So now we're going to go ahead and take out the switch panel for your fuses, where those go. Trying to figure out how to get it, to open up here, fumbling around. So then what we're going to do is we're going to open that up, and we're going to show you the different sections of where your fuses are. There we go. So we're going to open that up, show you the different sections of all your fuses. And you got 3-4 different kinds of fuses. And then you have right there is going to be the wire you connect to your wireless antenna that is included. Makes it to where you can have your wirelessly up to 150, I think, feet. And then that button there, you're going to have a little switch. So that switch actually controls whether it's accessory, so when you tap into a fuse, or straight to your battery. So whenever you install it, make sure that you see what it's actually switched on to. So then on the case, you have extra fuses, which is really nice. And it's pretty heavy quality duty. So that's really nice. It's not flimsy. And there's your wireless antenna. That is, hook it up, set it somewhere off to the side, and then you are going to have your fuse block And this is something that's really nice. You have your big old fuse block. It's an 80 amp fuse block, and that's going to go. That's going to connect to where all your accessories, your battery, everything is protected. So not only do you have the amps that all your stuff is connected to, but you also have that huge block as well to protect your system. Then right here you have your negative and positive wires. So you have two positive and one negative. So you'll take the positive from the terminal of your battery to the fuse block. Take the second positive from the fuse block to your panel. Then you'll take the negative and put it to your switch panel. Then it comes with a USB-C. That's to charge your switch panel right there for you. And then it comes with some pretty nice wire loom. It's a really nice fancy little wire loom there. It comes with Allen key and some hard mounting hardware. Then you got some zip ties. We all like zip ties. So then we're going to come up, and that's going to be your tap diffuse. So you're going to put another fuse in there. Make sure you tap it in. Connect your wires to it. Make sure that your switch is connected right. Then we got some of your mounting hardware. This is the mounting bracket for your actual switch panel itself. Gonna go ahead and take it and put it in there so you're able to see how it goes in. And apparently with it being on or it off, you just hit a button and it pops on. So shut that off. Looks pretty good, right? So then you'll take some other, bracketry and everything, and it's actually pretty good quality. It's not flimsy, it's not thin. It's actually pretty decent metal. So it's really sturdy. And then of course you got a Phillips head screwdriver, which is really cool. It's really nice they put that in there. So go ahead and make sure you hit up mctuning.com. They're also on Facebook and Instagram. Get all of your lighting needs. And I'm telling you, they've got everything from LED headlights to whip lights, underglow, all kinds of stuff. And so it's a great company. Check them out. Make sure to get your stuff. And make sure when you get your stuff, hit hashtag McTuning for a chance to get some free merch in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.